Why do 90% of nutritionists recommend a hearty breakfast? Because it's your fuel to conquer the world. Let's get whisking and wrapping. Kickstarting things off with our energizing smoothie bowls. Imagine starting your day with a bowl so colorful, it wakes you up faster than your morning alarm. Mix in your favorite fruits, a scoop of protein powder, and top it off with nuts and seeds. It's like eating a rainbow that keeps you pumped till lunch. Moving on to our protein-packed breakfast wraps. Wrap up your hunger with eggs, spinach, and a whole wheat tortilla. It's quick, it's portable, and hey, it's pretty tasty too. Perfect for those mornings when you're on a roll, and I mean literally on the go. And don't forget about the nutty overnight oats. Stir together oats, almond milk, and your choice of nuts the night before. By morning, it's not just breakfast waiting for you. It's a creamy, crunchy delight that's ready to eat. In conclusion, whether it's a smoothie bowl, a hearty wrap, or overnight oats, starting your day right is just a few ingredients away. Remember, a good day starts with a great breakfast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious tips to kickstart your mornings.